It is oddly emotional for me, but it's good to be back.
Alright, it's 4 a.m. Monday morning, and I'm going to the gym for the first time in like 3 months. It's a little exciting, it's a little nervous. It's like that first day of school going back after summer break. You're excited to see all your friends. I'm excited, I'm a little bit nervous. It should be interesting.
Wait, we got X's on the ground for all the classes. No one's in here yet. They haven't started class yet, but they got the social distancing thing happening, and very health conscious here. I am halfway through a workout. It is 5:28 right now, and I don't know where you stand on going back to the gym or not, but I just want to show you how dedicated us meatheads are. That's right. And just like that, the first workout's over. So we gotta go. All right, so this is David. You've seen him kind of everywhere in Fort Worth, and he worked out this morning at 24 Hour Fitness on May 18th. That is today's day, right? It is day 1.
18th.
Everything. This is my first major workout in a while, so I'm like shaky and jittery. But anyway, David, how was it?
It was great. We only had an hour here, but hey, man, you can get a lot done in an hour. Just come in here, knock it out. Woo! I had that pre-flowing through my veins. Got in there and just popped it out, boy. My chest is on fire right now, just the way I like it though. Sorry if you can't explain. If you can't tell, I was very excited to lift some weights. I really was. Anywho, he had a good time in there too. I saw him. He was killing the game.
You can always count on David for a good time.
You can.
Yeah.
And you can always count on the gym because it's open now. Ooh.
Yeah, that's feeling pretty good. So what are we like at normal? Is it back to normal? Does it feel kind of weird still?
It felt weird coming in there because there was no music. It was super quiet.
Yeah.
But once you got your music on, your headphones on, you just kind of get back in a groove, and then people started to flood back into the gym. And it kind of just felt like a reunion, honestly.
It did.
I mean,
it was kind of nice.
Yeah, it was really nice.
It was kind of nice. There was a moment there where I got a little bit emotional. I went upstairs to kind of look down at everybody,
Yeah.
and it felt good.
Yeah.
Right there.
It's like we're back.
Yeah.
Back to killing it.
So what are you doing tomorrow?
I'm running 10 miles tomorrow. So, and then I'll come back here on Tuesday and do some more.
Nice.
And then I'll run another 10 miles the next day. Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna try to start running.
All right. Half marathon on Sunday. Let's go.
Sunday?
Yeah.
I can't.
All right.
We'll see.
I'll run for you, man.
Bro, good to see you, man.
Good seeing you,
Good to be
man.
back in it.
Oh yeah, we're back to killing it, y'all. Every day. Woo!